Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Can physical change be reversed? Physical changes are those changes that occur in the state, shape, size, or any such physical parameters of the object. In many cases, physical changes are temporary, that can be brought back to their initial state. This is because when a body undergoes a physical change, there is no change in its internal energy. Hence we infer that physical change can be reversed. Is it easy to reverse physical changes? Physical changes can be brought back into their original state, i.e., they are reversible. In a physical change, the changes occur in the size, shape, or state of the object. The chemical composition and the total internal energy remain the same. Hence it becomes easier to reverse back the change. Can all physical changes be reversed? The changes that occur in the object can either be reversed or become irreversible. The physical changes can be both reversible and irreversible. Folding clothes is a reversible change. At the same time, cutting trees into logs is an irreversible change. Therefore, not all physical changes are reversible, and not every irreversible change is a chemical change. What is easier to reverse, physical change or chemical change? We know that physical changes can be reversed and therefore termed as a temporary change. The chemical changes are irreversible and can be brought back into their initial state. Physical change can be reversed, and some of them are irreversible too. Since chemical change cannot be reversed at all in comparison, physical change becomes easier to reverse and bring to the original state. How physical changes can be reversed? We know that physical changes can be reversed and therefore termed as a temporary change. When there is a change in the state of an object or substance, the physical change that occurs can be reversed back. When this happens using physical means, the change can be reversed, and the initial substance can be brought back. Give an example of reversible physical change. Physical changes can be reversed to obtain the initial object. Hence it is also known as a temporary change. An example of reversible physical change is water changing into ice. Both ice and water have the same chemical formula as H2O. Now on melting, ice changes back into the water. Therefore it is a reversible change. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.